Good afternoon. So, Andrea wanted to cook Rafael's favorite, which has always been salad, yes, but also chicken curry.
I want to get some broccoli and chicken curry.
You want broccoli and chicken curry?
Yes.
That's very ambitious for morning, for your breakfast.
I want rice and chicken.
So I told her, hey, I'll prepare it for you and you can make lunch today. Because usually I'll make the lunches and she'll make them the rest of the meals. All the snacks, small dinners. But mainly lunches, I'll focus on that and the leftovers. But today she wanted to do it, so I helped her prep the chicken and onion. And I'm an extreme amateur. Those words really go good together for me. I don't try to do better at it. I just get it done. I know she wants about 1 inch of a cube of chicken and just kind of like very small onion, diced almost. So I use my very amateur ways of doing things. I'll take all the, not like Israel, if you see our older videos, less feathers and all of that stuff on the chicken. So I'll just take off the fat and whatever red tissue is in there and bones, and then she will continue to cook the rest.
Like you said, just cut it up to about 1-inch pieces and dice the onions as finely as you want to. You don't even have to use onions, but it does taste pretty good if you like onions. Yeah, I couldn't wait to eat chicken skin when I came back over to America. And the first time I had turkey skin over at my mom's house for Thanksgiving, I was in heaven.
What is that stuff?
Chicken.
That don't look like chicken. It don't even look like food.
Yeah, because it's not. That's like a sponge meant to soak. With that, I think we'll also make rice. So I'll use the Instant Pot to make rice in the meantime because she's still working. And when she's done, then she'll come over and show you guys how she cooks the rest. The half of an onion is here and the 3 chicken breasts are here. And I'm gonna start cooking the rice. Missing the rice. Okay, so we're gonna be using this rice right here, which Andrea got. She got on a deal. This is not usual rice. I don't remember what it's called. It's not the type of rice, it's what they did to the process.
Why
And
is it
so,
yellowish orange?
I don't know. But here it is. So this is the Instant Pot. And I really enjoy using Instant Pot for rice. It cooks rice perfectly. Now this rice specifically, I've not been able to cook it perfectly. But when I say perfect, I mean like restaurant perfect. You would love it. You'd think a professional did it. That's what I want. So we wash the rice first normally, and then it depends on how much squishiness or stickiness we want. Wash it less or more, but at least get the crud out. And yeah, I usually fill, as per Andrea's instructions, about 1 cup of rice and 1 and a bit cups of water for it. With this rice, there's always a layer of rice on the bottom that sticks. Oil doesn't help it. More water has not helped me. She said put more water. So you can see I put significantly more water. Maybe I'll botch this batch. Maybe it goes well. We'll see later on. So here I'll just choose rice and then it'll automatically set it. And then I don't put the valve on it right here. I don't put the valve vent. So we let it steam and automatically take it out. Also, to relieve a lot of Andrea's stress, I usually clean up the surfaces before. I really try to right after as well. And I'll do dishes because she's done it for many years for me and I do enjoy doing it for her and for the kids too. It's nice to not need to have to wash it every few days, because that's just overwhelming how much dishes you can get. We don't have a dishwasher, so it's much easier for me to just know when I have to do it, which is usually after we cook and at lunchtime, and then once again at dinner time. So I'll do it about twice a day. I'll try to wash dishes, and then that leaves us just enough to not cover the sink, but you know, give you a couple of, because we're 4 people, so we have like a 4 set of dishes every time, plus the cookware. Hey,
Me and Rafael love chicken curry.
you do?
Yeah,
Well, you're in luck, because we're gonna have some.
I mostly like chicken curry because it's the color of one of my favorite rainbow friends, yellow.
Yellow. Are you ready to eat chicken curry?
It can fly.
Okay.
It's a
Once
bird.
mommy is ready to cook, she's gonna come right over and start working on it. I assume it'll be about 30 minutes.
My favorite food is salad, and then my second is chicken curry. We both love it.
Okay, so I'm basically going to just turn this pan all the way up to very high, and I'm gonna watch it. Don't walk away when you're cooking onions. I'm gonna put oil in the pan, wait for it to get extremely hot. And here's the ingredients. You're gonna need some green stuff. This isn't for flavor, it's just for looks. Some garlic that is almost done, I'm gonna use up. Some curry powder, that's the star, that's really all you're gonna taste. Cornstarch to thicken, or you can use any type of thickener. Sour cream and milk. And one of the other main stars is butter. It's going to give it a really good flavor. So, I have my chicken and my onions. You could really do anything with this. Add anything you want. So my oil is nice and hot, and you'll get that nice sizzle. It's only going to take a few minutes until the onions are translucent with just a little browning. I'm going to slide the onions out to the sides, and I'm going to dump my chicken right in the middle so it cooks faster. At this point, I don't want my onions to burn, but the chicken should cool the pan down enough where they won't burn. And you can add black pepper here. They say black pepper is a cure for depression, so I've been sneezing a lot. You're gonna salt to taste. We're having this over rice, but if you have it over spinach, you probably don't want to put too much salt in it. But since it's over rice, you can kind of load up on the salt. Now just pour that garlic in. You're not going to taste the garlic at all, but I wanted to throw the bottle away, so I used the rest of it. But if you were using fresh garlic, you would add it now. And now here's the star. You can use as little or as much butter as you want. You don't even have to use butter. You can use any kind of fat, or you can just leave it out. You can make this completely however you want. If you want to use soy milk, I use lactose-free milk. It doesn't matter if you want to use whole cream, you want to use all sour cream and no cream, just add water to it. That's fine too. My battery died, so I just wanted to show you I put 1 cup of milk, 1/4 of a cup of the cornstarch, it's a thickener, about 1 cup of the sour cream, and 1 cup of water. So this is what this is, and you're going to need to mix it up really, really well right before you put it in the fully cooked chicken. Now it can be almost done, but it better be really, 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 really close. You know what I mean? Because this is chicken, so you do want to make sure that it is all cooked before you put your sauce in. It's going to go very quickly after that. So before we put the sauce in, we're going to actually add a big bulk of the flavor, which is the butter. Literally, the only way that you can mess this dish up is if you don't stir in your cornstarch in your milk before you add it. If your cornstarch isn't added all the way and you pour it in, it'll actually cook in clumps and you'll never be able to get it apart. So it needs to be stirred up and then stirred up again before you actually pour it in. And that's the only way you can mess this dish up. You can literally add anything you want to it. Here's that slurry. We're just going to make sure it's not sticking to the bottom, and we're going to pour it right in. And you can see this is going to start thickening up very quickly. If it gets too thick, we'll just add more water to it. Some of the green flakes in now. And the curry. You can put a spoonful, 2 spoonfuls, 3 spoons. How many do you want? I would say this is about 2 tablespoons. I'm calling it green flakes because it's really only in there just for color to contrast with the yellowish orange color. You can use parsley, you can use Italian seasoning, it doesn't matter, you're not really going to taste it. The main flavor here is butter and curry, and it's really rich and really good. So I added a little bit of water here. You don't have to. It depends on how much cornstarch you use. The more cornstarch you use, the more water you're going to have to use because it's going to thicken up on you. This is the perfect consistency for our family because we like it just a little bit runny. If you want it thicker, don't add water. The only thing to remember is if you do add more cornstarch, you're going to have to mix it up first in water or milk. This is done. So we're just going to let it marry until all of the green is hydrated fully. Flavors get into the chicken. I'm going to turn it off and let it sit here for 5 to 10 minutes. Put it over some rice, and that's dinner. Got some rice here that just came out of the Instant Pot. You really don't want to touch anything with this or drop anything on your clothes because everywhere the yellow touches, it will stain. It will definitely stain your clothes, so be very careful when you're using like a turmeric or a curry. There are a lot of really good health benefits to using this spice, and if you want to use turmeric spice, you can actually hide it in chocolate milk. You can't taste it. And there it is. Time for dinner. Woohoo! Try it.
How you feeling?
Yeah.
Yeah. How
What's
you
up?
doing?
Oh, good. Oh, well, looks
Look at that.
really good.
A meal that we used to have all the time. Here you go.
Have on.
This is
Thank
yours.
you. I'm sure it'll be great.
Taste it and let me see how you think of it.
Haven't had that in a
I already
while.
tasted it. It's delicious, I think.
Love it.
Love it?
I can't wait to
Good,
take
huh?
my bite.
Okay. All right. Thank you. You can go ahead and work, and I will get their reaction. What do you think of it? Mm-hmm. That's been a while, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Good, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're going to eat this once a week from now on. It's just too good. It's just too good. Chicken curry. Still your favorite?
Especially when it's yellow, I love it.
It's my second favorite.
Second favorite? What's your first?
Salad.
That's right.
I
Salad
just
is
love
my-
chef salad.
Good job.
It's
Yeah.
your favorite food in the whole wide world.
Yeah. All right.
Mine's pizza.
I think everyone's favorite is pizza. This is a very close second. Well, not yours. Yours is salad. Very good. All right. I'll see you later. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Mm-hmm.
I want a chicken curry.
But I'm not making that.
I want a chicken curry.
What else do you want?
Chicken curry.
You want cereal and yogurt?
Cereal and yogurt and chicken curry.
You want eggs?
Eggs. Not eggs. Just cereal and yogurt and chicken curry.
And chicken curry. Do you want fried vegetables?
No.
You want broccoli?
No.
You want tomatoes?
Yeah.
So you want tomatoes and yogurt and cereal?
Not other tomatoes. Just cereal and yogurt and tomatoes.
Okay.
And chicken curry.
Ah!
Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you were here. Have a great day.